Hello all. Today I'm going to show you how to use Engage to input the information for the new parent-teacher report. Right, so first things first, we go to Engage. Mine's already comes up, but it's Engage at engage.vas.edu.vn. And it will take you to the login screen. Remember, for your login, you only put in the first part of your email address, so robert.gaines. You don't put the at vas.edu.vn. And then it should be a normal password. When you get to here, we're looking for this section called marking. We go on and we go to class mark sheet. So class mark sheet, you choose which class and which subject you want, but remember to make sure in this right year, this isn't a midterm or end of term one, it's an online one. And I'm going to choose my old class who are now in grade 5. Yep, they can do English and they are now 5.1, and I'm going to press go. Okay, so it says there's 20 people in here and the mark sheet isn't complete. Okay, I can see the names and I can see their, yes, I remember these guys. These are my old class. Right, now already we can see there are 2 columns, approach to learning and work completion. Now with this I will send you a chart for how to judge which of the criteria the child meets. Not meeting expectations, approaching, meeting, or exceeding. Right, so what I would do this week is I would keep track on how my kids are doing. Probably by now I've already got a fair idea of what they're doing. So for example, in approach to learning, I saying that Hannah, she's absolutely outstanding. She answers every single question. Mimi as well. She's going to answer every single question. And who else? Maybe Cherry, yeah, down here. She's going to have done really well. Now, some people maybe not so much. Maybe Simon has been a little bit disruptive. He's going to be approaching, and maybe John hasn't really participated. Going to put him as approaching, and maybe Ethan as well. Maybe he's approaching. I'm not going to put anybody as not meeting, because for not meeting, by now, you really should have had a one-to-one meeting with the parent to explain that there's a serious issue going on. So approaching's fine for me for now. Right, for work completion, I would base this on work that you've set in class and your homework. So most of mine are meeting expectations. That's true, but I do remember that Michael sent me a really brilliant piece of homework. He'd gone way and above, so I'm going to give him exceeding. And again, Ethan didn't actually send me what I wanted. Well, he didn't send me anything in my hypothetical class, and also neither did Donald. Donald didn't give me anything either, so I'm going to put him as approaching. Right, so that's it. That's all there is for your section. So you've given your opinions about the class. The next thing you need to do is this teacher checked part. Checked, yes. Now that's going to take you a long time to do this. So simply go to here, batch update, click everyone, select a column, teacher checked, and we're going to check checked. And that will update everybody. Oh no, I've just seen that unless I save what I've done, it doesn't work. Okay, so, well, I'll carry on with this anyway, as it's a good point. So essentially, you need to remember, before you click check, you need to write these and then save, and then they will save. I may have just saved you a decent amount of time there. Okay, now, once you've done that, that's it, finished. And then you can just go on to your next class or your next subject. So for me, I'm going to go on to English Science Vocabulary, because this is a CEP class. And as this is online, probably most of mine will be very, very similar to what I've put in here. So I'm going to do the same things again, batch update, teacher checked, and then save, and that will be 5.1 done. Good stuff. Thank you.